Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm just at Australia Technology Park. Just wanted to show you guys something very quickly for you guys. I'll show it on camera in a moment. I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough on the exterior of C3704, the red Rattler carriage. It looks identical to C3704. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, just going to show you guys the outside of red Rattler carriage C3704. I won't be able to show the inside of it because Gladys Perechikian has changed the locks. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, here is the exterior shot from the from the gab side of C3704. Just going to walk you on the outside first, give you a brief look. It's got the guard indicator light on, still on there. In the 1940s exterior livery. It's got the Bella Cat windows on it. I'm just praying that Gladys Perechikian does not mothball this carriage. Here's just the other side of C3704. Unfortunately, I can't show you the other side of it because it's identical to this side, and the sun is facing the north at the moment. Give you a clue where this was manufactured. That gives you a clue where the bogies were based. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm afraid that's all I'll have to show you for the time being. So it's time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.